Current electricity, chapter 13, physics, class 12. Question 1. A current of 6A is drawn from a 120 V line. What power is being developed? Answer 720. Question 2. How much energy is expended in kilowatt hours if the current is steady for 1 week? Answer 120.96 kilowatt. Question 3. Two wires carry current of 3A and 15 A under potential difference of 60 V and 120 V representatively. What is the ratio of power consumed by the two wires? Answer 1 to 1. Question 4. An electric drill related at 400 W is connected to a 240 V power line. How much current does it draw? Answer 1.67 A. Question 5. What is the equivalent resistance of three resistance 20 ohm, 40 ohm and 50 ohm connected in parallel? Answer 10.5 ohm. Question 6. Which device is used to measure the electric current? Answer ammeter. Question 7. Ohm's law states that current is directly proportional to answer voltage. Question 8. Which of the following materials is a good conductor? Answer silver. Question 9. What is the unit of resistance? Answer ohm. Question 10. Which factor affects the resistance of a conductor? Answer length, cross sectional area, temperature. Question 11. Which law explains the highest effect of current? Answer Joule's law. Question 12. Electric current follows due to the movement of answer electrons. Question 13. What is the unit of electric charge? Answer coulomb. Question 14. The resistance of a wire depends on its answer let material declines. Question 15. Which instrument measures voltage? Answer voltmeter. Question 16. If the resistance increases, what happens to the current? Answer decreases. Question 17. Which component resists the flow of electric current? Is resistor. Question 18. The unit of electrical energy is answer joule. Question 19. What happens to resistance with the temperature of a conductor increases? Answer increases. Question 20. What is the typical charge of a proton? Answer positive. Question 21. Which of these is a semiconductor? Answer silicon. Question 22. A circuit is considered open when answer current does not follow. Question 23. What is the resistivity of a perfect conductor? Answer 0. Question 24. A material with high resistance is called answer insulator. Question 25. Which device stores electrical energy? Answer capacitor. Question 26. What is the unit of capacitance? Answer Watt. Question 27. The equivalent resistance in a parallel circuit is answer less than the smallest resistance. Question 28. Electric power is measured in answer what? Question 29. What is the unit of electric current? Answer ampere. Question 30. What is the unit of electric potential difference? Answer volt.